Hello guys, this is Pete, and in this tutorial I'm going to introduce you to the HTML structure. So in this video we will see what is your HTML, what is your head, what is your body and the header text. And I'm hoping that you all have watched my previous tutorials in which I have shown you how you can install an IDE into your system, because we are working with the Visual Studio Code in throughout our session. So you can just visit my channel and watch the very first tutorial video in which I have explained in detail that what is your ID and why it is necessary for and why we are using it, a lot more about it. So you can just visit my channel and you will find the link of the video. And in the second tutorial I have introduced you to the building the website and how we can build a simple static website. So you can just check out that also. So guys, without making any delay, let's just start by creating our HTML file. So first of all, open the Visual Studio Code and click over the file icon over here, and you can just name the file index.html and then press the Ctrl B button for closing sidebar menu. Then you can place the exclamation mark for writing the whole HTML structure code, or as I'm going to introduce you, so let's start by writing a simple structure. So here I'm going to write first of all HTML, in which you can see over here that HTML. So what HTML does, guys? Okay. So guys, as I'm talking about the HTML, so I can say that HTML is used for rendering the content on your website, for designing the structure of your website. So whatever the content you see in your website, the HTML form means whatever the forms and the header tags, the paragraphs, all that are written in your HTML only. Okay. So without HTML, a web page cannot be designed. So it is necessary for a web developer to learn the HTML, then move on to the CSS for styling part. Means your HTML is used for designing the structure, CSS is used for styling the structure, and your JavaScript is used for adding the functionality into your structure. Okay, which makes your website more interactive. So by using the HTML, you can just create a simple static website which doesn't do anything, but it just make a static look, and you can just make like tables or headings or paragraph, mean a simple static website without any styles or any interaction with the user, in a simple word you can say. And now let us move on to the head section over here. So the head section consists of your links over here and your meta tags. So I can say in simple words that your head section consists of the elements which are not rendered on the web page. So whatever the content or whatever the links, whatever the meta tags or whatever the thing you just write inside of your heads are not going to be rendered on the web browser. It is only visible to you, but not to the user which has visited your website. Okay. And now let us move on to the body tag. So if I talk about the body, so anything that you saw on your web browser is that can be written inside of your body only. Okay, means the first your HTML, second with your head, and the third one is a body. So whatever the content you write, you always write inside of your body. So let's just write the simple structure of your HTML by putting the exclamation mark. This is what we have done in the previous video, if you are familiar with this. So only one thing which is you can say present on your web browser, which is visible to the user, which is present in your head section, is the title tag. So the title tag is the only one tag which is visible to the user which has visited your website. Okay, and except title, all other tags are your invisible to the user, or you can say not visible to the user. So whatever the content I write inside of my body is visible to us also and the user which has visited our website also. So whatever the image, whatever the heading text, the paragraph, the forms, or you can say anything is written inside of your body. So here I'm going to show you a little more about let's just move on to your heading text over here. That's all about body, means whatever the content you write inside of body is going to be represented on the web browser. And we have heading text. So we have 6 types of heading text from H1 to H6. The H1 is having the highest, or you can say the largest font size. I will show you in the web browser that how different they look like. That's why I have just written out all of the heading text over here. And I'm going to show you a hack over here for write. If you want to write your text in multiple lines, means if you are writing a same text in multiple lines, then what you can do, you can just press the alt key on your keyboard and the right click of your mouse, and you can just press the right click on the different lines by holding your alt key, then you can just write in the multiple lines, okay, the same text. And now you can see that I have successfully written this hello speed in multiples in 6 different lines. And here I'm writing these different your h1 headings for, so that it will be visible for you that which heading is representing the different tag over there. So we are having the 6 different tags: the h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Oh well, sorry, h4, h5, and your h6 over here. So now let's just open it with your live server, and you can easily show on your web browser. If you have not installed the live server extension, just install it. Okay, and now you will be redirected to your web browser, and let me just zoom it out for you so that it will be visible for you. Okay, let me just zoom it out. Okay, so now you can see that h1 having the largest, or you can say the greatest font size among the all of the heading tags, and the h6 is the smallest, or you can say the lowest font size. So you can use any of the heading tags as per your wish. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys, and I hope that you have understand that why we are using the HTML head and body. But even if you have any doubt, you can just comment below or message me on the WhatsApp. You will find the WhatsApp group link in the video description. And if you are new to my channel, just subscribe it, because I'm not gonna share any of the video links in the group. Okay, so you can just subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will share some project based exercise and your cheat sheet on the WhatsApp group, so join that. And what I'm saying that, guys, please subscribe to my channel, because on every Sunday we are going to build the real time projects, okay, the real world projects, such as your e-commerce website or your portfolio or whatever you want. And don't worry about anything, guys, I will try to make you understand each and every line, because we are taking the live session, so you can just ask any of the doubt whatever you face on the live chat of your YouTube. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like.